Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the Google Maps temperature display to Fahrenheit. So if you're driving to a location or going to a location and you want Google Maps to display everything in Fahrenheit, watch this video. And if it has been helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Anyway, I'm on my iPhone, I'm on Google Maps. Go up to the top right of Google Maps and you'll find a profile picture. Click in there and then go down to the bottom. There's a gear icon that says settings. Click in there and scroll down until you get to the using maps feature, and basically the fourth option down, it says temperature units. Click in there and it's currently selected as Celsius, so whenever we're using Google Maps it will display the temperature in degrees Celsius. But if you want to use Fahrenheit, you can come in here, select Fahrenheit, and then from there, whenever you're actually traveling to a location, a destination, Google Maps will display the temperature in Fahrenheit. So guys, if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.